Tracer families, my name is Amy Winder and I am the proud principal of Indian Trace Elementary School. I want to welcome you to our annual open house for the 2020-2021 school year. I know that the school year will look a little bit differently this year as we move to e-learning in our virtual setting, but I want to assure you that our teachers and staff have been working very hard to make sure that our students don't miss a beat and have a very successful school year. I hope that you enjoy today's open house and that you learn a lot. But if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me via email or telephone. We're always here for you and the children.
Greetings, Tracers family. Welcome to our 2020-2021 school year. This school year is a little different than what we have known in the past, but we are going to have a wonderful, wonderful, awesome school year. I am Mrs. Brown, your assistant principal. Please feel free to reach out to me through email or call at 754-323-6300 with any questions or concerns or just to say hello. We miss you all so much and hopefully we will come back together soon.
Hello everyone. My name is Mrs. Chakshi and I am your school counselor.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Heller and I'm the ESU specialist at Indian Trace Elementary.
Hello everyone, I'm Miss Davis, the literacy coach here at Indian Trace Elementary School.
My name is Mark Polito. I am the microtech at Indian Trace Elementary.
My name is Evan. I am the campus monitor at Indian Trace.
My name is Heather Murphy and I'm the PTA president here at Indian Trace Elementary.
My name is Deputy T and I have been with the Broward Sheriff's Office for the past 2 years.
If you have any questions or concerns about social and emotional learning, please reach out to me. I'm here to help. You may reach out through email or Canvas.
I'm here to support families and teachers in order to ensure success for our students with disabilities.
I work closely with teachers and students in reading and other school curriculum and technology needs. I love reading, and I look forward to reading you some of my favorite books in the upcoming weeks.
Microtech is the fancy way of saying computer guy. So I handle all technology here. If you have any issues, mainly passwords, I get the most. If you have any issues with your passwords, just let me know and I can reset it for you.
It's my job to make sure that the campus is secure at all times.
We have a very lively and active PTA and we're always looking for new members.
I want you all to know that I will be here not only to serve and protect, but also to mentor and guide all the children that I come across.
We can video chat, we can talk on the phone. I look forward to meeting each and every one of you.
I'm your liaison if your child has an IEP or if you have any questions about the process. I'm also here to answer any questions you might have about our gifted program.
All the teachers and staff are really looking forward to getting to know you.
Any issues with technology or software's not working, just let me know and I will do my best to get it up and running.
I look forward to meeting everybody in person, hopefully very soon.
We're looking forward to a great year filled with fantastic events, community building activities, and most importantly, supporting our kids and our teachers so they can continue to attain excellence in education.
I cannot wait for the school year to start so I can finally meet all of you.
Every day, our students participate in 30 minutes of extracurricular special activities, including PE, music, Spanish as a second language, and media, which takes place in the media center I'm standing in right now. Let's take a minute to meet our specials team.
My name is Mrs. Cuervo and I'm the Spanish teacher at Indian Trace.
My name is Coach Mark. I am your PE teacher here at Indian Trace Elementary.
My name is Mrs. Saver and I will be the music teacher this year.
Hi everyone, I am Mrs. Mila, your media specialist or teacher librarian.
Health and safety are most important to us at Indian Trace Elementary School, and we have the best team in town helping to keep our school healthy and safe for your arrival. Let's meet our custodial staff.
Hi, I am Ivan.
Sandra.
Hi, I'm Daniel. I'm Luis.
Hi, I'm Jose, head custodian at Indian Trace.
If you have any additional questions or concerns, please feel free to reach us at 754-323-6300.
Thank you, Mrs. Brown. Our door is always open to you and your children. And now it's time for you to meet your teachers.